Hi, I'm Sohee. I'm an experienced online Korean teacher with over 7,000 Korean lessons taught, and I was also a tour guide in Korea before. In our last episode of Traveling Korea series, we have talked about some Korean words as well as phrases of how to get to the city from the airport. In this episode, we are going to learn even more essential Korean phrases so that you can get around in the terminal. We're going to cover all the services and facilities that you can use. First up, the Wi-Fi rental booth. Of course, in the airport, you already have free Wi-Fi. You just have to connect to it. But then when you're in Korea traveling around, you will need to rent Wi-Fi. The word Wi-Fi and rental in Korean is really similar to English. So Wi-Fi is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Rental is rental. Rental. And if you cannot find the Wi-Fi rental booth, you can simply ask, where can I rent the Wi-Fi device? Wi-Fi rental 어디에서 할 수 있어요? 할 수 있어요 means can I. So where can I? 어디에서? Repeat again. Wi-Fi rental 어디에서 할 수 있어요? Next up, if you're feeling a little bit hungry and you want to grab a snack, you can go to the convenience store in the airport. Convenience store is 편의점. 편의점. Convenience stores are really lifesavers if you just want to grab something to eat or grab something to drink. But there's also another thing that you can do. If it's the first time you're here in Korea, you have to buy your T-money card. It's like the transportation card. So T-money is T-money. Transportation card, 교통카드. And if you want to buy one, you can say T-money 교통카드 한 장 주세요. 한 장 is the unit. It's like to count the card. 주세요 is like please give me. T-money 교통카드 한 장 주세요. So when you buy the card, it doesn't come with any money and you have to top it up. So to top up is like to recharge it. So charging is kind of like charging batteries, like as in with your phone. So the verb for that is 충전하다. 충전하다. And as a request, you're going to say, please recharge it. Please top it up for me. 충전해 주세요. And you will put the amount that you want to top up in front of this phrase. For example, I would like to recharge, let's say, 5,000 won, which is really a little. So 5,000 won. 5,000 won 충전해 주세요. 5,000 won 충전해 주세요. So now, after grabbing a snack, where are we going? Of course, the restaurant. It's not enough to grab a snack, girl. You gotta try all the Korean restaurants. So restaurants, 식당. But I mean, if you want to try other dishes, totally fine. But these are the common types of dishes they offer. Korean dish, 한식. Chinese dish, 중식. Western dish, 양식. And Japanese dish is 일식. And the key to eating the most delicious dish in the restaurant gotta be asking for recommendations. Recommend is 추천하다. So please recommend something for me. 추천해 주세요. 추천해 주세요. And after enjoying the delicious meal, you can get the bill like a boss by saying 계산해 주세요. 계산해 주세요. 계산하다 is to get the bill, to pay. So 계산해 주세요. And you know what? Now, I'm sure after the long flight, after all the taking pictures for Instagram, your phone is low on battery. There are actually a lot of free charging stands in Incheon Airport. How nice. But in case you cannot see well, just like me, I need my glasses on, then you can just ask anyone nearby, 어디에서 충전할 수 있어요? Like, where can I charge my phone? It's the same verb, yes, if you remember. It's the same word. To recharge, to top up your card. 충전하다. Next up, very important, is the restroom. 화장실. There are signs for the restrooms everywhere in the airport, but outside of the airport, if you need restroom, then you can just ask, where is the restroom? 화장실은 어디에 있어요? Korea is known for its medical tourism, and in the airport, there's even a 의료 관광 지원 center, which means a medical tourism support center. You can get health advice, consultations, or help with finding medical services while you're in the country. Now that you know where to charge your phone, where to grab a snack, but that's not over. In the next episode, we are going to learn even more Korean vocabulary and phrases, from claiming your tax refund to finding your lost baggages, as well as connecting to a SIM card. Click here to learn more.